Stop. If your disc brakes scream like this, you need the next 50 seconds. New pads, $30. New rotor. They even torch pads in Korea. It always comes back. Then one Korean writer cracked it. $1.50 wheel cleaner from Daiso. The clear one. Soak the pads inside the caliper. Hit the rotor too. No disassembly. Ride right away. Plot twist. It gets louder first. Don't panic. Brake 3-4 times. Dead silence. 156 comments confirm it. The squeal is gone. Like magic. Wakanda forever. 3 months, 500 kilometers, 0 squeal. Comes back. Respray. Done. Quick word. Test your brakes somewhere safe first. Credit Black Panther on Korea's Jeondelsa Cafe. A first in the history of the universe. $1.50. Total silence. You're welcome.